Hi, I'm Rachel from Jimmy Beans Wool, and today we're going to take a look at everything you need to know for block 3 of the Cascade Yarns Knitterati Diagonal Afghan. All right, so block 3, as you can see, has some really amazing texture going on. The designer has done different sections, and each section has a different stitch pattern in it. And what's really great about this is that all of the texture is created just with knits and purls. So I'm not even going to show you guys any knitting today because you can check out the video that we did with the basic techniques. There should be a link in the corner of your screen there. That'll show you how to do the knits and the purls and the slipping with yarn in front and back and all that kind of stuff. And then that's all you need to know to do all of these different neat textures. The yarn that we chose is a little bit heathered, so it's kind of obscuring the stitch definition just a little bit, but depending on the color that you picked, you're going to have some really great stitch definition, and you can really see like the triangles popping out here in this one, and like you've got kind of a broken rib thing going on here, and some sort of diagonal stitching, and more diamonds here. So really this is a really fun just textured square. And if you are just joining us and haven't started in yet and are a little bit unsure about the skills that you need for these, this would be a really great one to start with because you don't need to do any more complicated stitching. It's really just your basic stitches. You definitely want to keep an eye out on what you're doing though, because when you're doing basic stitch work like this, it's really easy to get off by a stitch or two. So, you know, just keep that in mind. Maybe use stitch markers when they make sense for some of these stitch patterns. But really, that's all you need to know. So, you know, head out and have fun knitting this one. It should be quick and easy for you guys. All right, so that was block 3 of the Diagonal Afghan. Be sure to check back in 2 weeks for the next block. I'm Rachel, thanks for watching. Thank you so much for checking out this video. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing because we have a lot more yarn reviews, tutorials, and other fiber fun like that. Happy crafting!